Where can I find my student ID number?
Hello, students. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about a very important piece of information, your student ID number. This unique identifier is used in many aspects of your academic life. You might need it for logging into systems, submitting paperwork, or even getting student discounts. But where can you find it? Let's dive in.
What is a student ID number?
A student ID number is a unique identification number assigned to you by your school or university when you become a student. It's used by the institution to keep track of your academic records, to verify your identity, and it may also be needed for certain services like library borrowing or accessing online resources.
Checking your student card.
The first and most common place you can find your student ID number is on your student card. This ID card is typically issued when you start your studies. 1. Take out your student card and look at it carefully. 2. The student ID number is usually printed somewhere on the card, often on the front. It might be labeled as ID, student number, or something similar. 3. Make sure not to confuse it with your card number or barcode number, if these are also present.
Logging into your school's online system.
If you don't have your student card handy, you can also usually find your student ID number by logging into your school's online system or portal. This might be called something like Student Portal, Student Services, or Online Services. 1. Visit your school's website and find the login area for students. 2. Log in using your username and password. If you don't know these, there should be instructions or contact information available for you to recover or reset them. 3. Once logged in, look for a section that displays your personal information. This might be under a heading like Profile, Account, or Student Details. 4. Your student ID number should be listed here.
Contacting your school's registrar or student services.
If you're still having trouble finding your student ID number, the next step is to contact your school's registrar or student services department. They should be able to help you locate your number. Remember, never share your personal information unless you are confident you are communicating directly with school officials. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to find your student ID number. Remember, it's a vital piece of information, so keep it safe but accessible. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in your academic journey.